Here's a 2017 Lexus NX. By combining intuitive technology with a design that is aggressive outside and comforting inside, this NX takes the crossover beyond utility. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its class best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.